All right, so beginning of the channel, whole purpose of this is really just gonna be to keep myself in check. I've been a little complacent with my XFA, so I don't know. I'm just putting this there just to like keep myself in check, just so I don't like BS kind of what I've been doing. So I have to like accept my choices. But I mean, yeah, going into the day, we had this daily PPR we were continuing off of. So like, okay, went to the 4 hour and we took out this low, and I was like, I don't know. I guess this was a long opportunity. I think, no, I think it's actually pre-market. Yeah, it's a pre-market, my bad. So don't like neglect that. So yeah, but what this did tell me though was it's more on the 1 hour. Yeah, so we had this high time frame manipulation, so I marked that out as my projections. So I had this -2, and I was like, -2 to me sometimes just like I guess it's a reversal zone, but it's also like an area where we'll reverse before continuing down to like the next level, which is fours for me. Some people have threes. I don't know. I don't really use threes. It's just like kind of like over confused me. So I just stick to twos and fours. So yeah. And then going on to the 15 minute. Oh, I don't even use 15 minute, my bad. No, did I? No, okay, I didn't, but whatever. But like I was saying, so yeah, the other low time frame standard deviation I use because I always try to have a high time frame align with low time frame. So key open, 930, manipulate lower, boom. Manipulation marked, and then come on. So we had that, and then what was aligning with the standard deviation was OT of the range. There was the 1 hour for value gap, and then where was that? Yeah, oh yeah, it was that's what I saw on the 15 minute. Yeah, it was the this SMT move right here. This was like a good draw to me. I saw this as like an area for us to sweep before going lower. So like bang, good area for me to draw some my entire like I was waiting for like this area to get tapped. And then it finally did, and this is where I got a little pressed. Okay, so yeah, so let me just move this. So once that got tapped, -2 got tapped right here, OT, and then the fair value gap. We had my typical setup, change in state, and then order block right here. This is the most clear order block. I think I saw it on the 30 second, but the 30 second didn't have like a, oh, excuse me. The 30 second didn't have, yeah, the 30 second didn't have, I guess, that clear of a, it didn't have a change in state. So I don't know, maybe I could have possibly waited for this, but I don't know. It's kind of just, yeah, it doesn't really make a difference. But I mean, yeah, so saw this change in state. And then a lot of the time, what I'll do when I see like a fair value gap like this, I'll just put my entry like right within the fair value gap where the order block starts, which is right here. Boom. 10 point, stop. Good enough, whatever. But I mean, yeah. And honestly, I was gonna hold this like for so long because, like how I said, like the -2 is kind of just like the retracement zone. I was like, okay, that means like we're gonna continue lower. So I was gonna hold it at least till the next area, which is here for me. And I did take a trade off this. No, no, not this one. Yeah. But I mean, yeah, so I was gonna parse right here and go break even off the trade open if I had continued to be in this trade, but I got stopped over there. And I mean, yeah, it would have played out. Like it was a pretty good setup. But I mean, yeah, so once like since I didn't get tapped into this, kind of pissed me off. I don't know why it didn't tap me. Like I had an entry right there. Literally tapped like a take into the drawdown to, and for some reason the top didn't feel me. So I was like, whatever, okay. So when that happens, the case for me is always just to look for continuation, especially off order blocks. So saw this. Had my entry. I'm gonna just move it. Yeah, I had my entry right there, like right here. And then for this one, I did place my stop all the way up here, just because I was like, it makes more logical sense than like putting 10 points, because I would have gotten ran through if I did. So I had that, and I still kept the same like mentality. I was still gonna hold this like all the way till where did I mark? Yeah, I was gonna hold this all the way down to here. So we didn't do that. I ended up getting stopped. Really, no idea why we tapped this. Like, I don't know why the EQ needed to be tapped, whatever. I don't think we SMP'd it. Or did we? Maybe I did not notice that. Yeah, we didn't even SMT it, so I don't know. But I mean, I don't know. Maybe I could have been a little more on the one, like the 1 minute or the 30 second, because yeah, the 30 second did definitely like play out better. Like, if I had taken it off that, it would have been better. Yeah, because I mean, I could have just, if I had taken this, it would have been more. I mean, yeah, this would have been a little more odd. I would have had my entry right here. I would have never got tapped in because like right there. Yeah, it would have been like a 2 point difference. But I mean, yeah, whatever. I took that on that. And then that was that. Kind of what was low price because we just started dumping. I was like, damn, like was the retreat like really necessary? But I mean, it is what it is. Like it's only Monday. Gonna be way more opportunity throughout the week. So hopefully revive the XFA. Like I am Let me see. I'll show that later. But for now, yeah, it was really just I took this second trade too, which was kind of dumb. This was kind of just like the FOMO I had in me, just because I think I just really wanted to be a profit on my XFA, so I kind of just let it get to me. So I saw this 30 second, yeah, it was on a 30 second, yeah. So 30 second, inverse had my entry right there, 10 point stop. Kind of goes against what I said because like literally only one confluence here. Like I tried to stick to at least three for a level, so it's kind of stupid. Took that. And then I think I took this to the first zone, yeah, which was like this. I was gonna break even and what's called partial at this enter like this fair value gap. I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. Then I was trying to hold at least to 1 to 4 because that's kind of like my thing. I always like hold for at least to 1 to 4, like profit. It just makes the most sense, which is like what 166. That's what I would say for yeah, 166. Yeah, but I mean that got raped, and I was like, okay. After that, I just locked myself out. I was like, kind of. I just knew I was just not in the right mindset anymore, so I was like, okay, I hopped off. But I mean, after that, yeah, after that, like we just kept jumping. I was like, okay. But I mean, looking on to tomorrow, honestly, I definitely do want to possibly see this daily rejection block, something off of this or OTE, like within this like what is this? I guess you could say like 20 point range, something within that, like because I don't know, everything a lot of stuff is just stacked here. We have the range, hourly for like yeah, daily rejection block, maybe some standard deviations tomorrow closer to it, but if not, whatever. I don't really care. But I mean, yeah, like I said, I'm just placing this here just to like keep myself in check. It's been a rough month, like honestly, like I've been, yeah, my monthly P&L is like, yeah, it's down 1K. So for me to get payout now, I think profit wise, I need to be, it's whatever. I'm not gonna think about it. Like I think like that mentality is exactly what's causing me to be like this. So I'm gonna just worry more about the skill rather than like the money, because I think like that's kind of where all this came from. Like looking at the profit I could have been making, so I was just doing more than I should be, but. Gonna try to be better at that. Not really gonna like care if I miss a setup. Honestly, like even today, this shouldn't have happened. But I mean, I'm gonna journal it, try to be better tomorrow, and hopefully, gonna keep praying about it. But hopefully, finish this week green because I have some stuff I definitely gotta freaking pay for. So if that works out, that works out. But I mean, yeah, it's pretty much it for today's recap.